For Logitech G29 and G920, these are the settings I personally prefer using in Forza Horizon 6. Start by opening settings, then go to difficulty. For steering, I recommend using simulation instead of standard, especially if you are playing with a wheel. It usually feels a bit more natural and responsive. If you are new to using a steering wheel, you can keep traction control on at first. You can also enable stability control while practicing, but I would recommend turning stability control off once you get more comfortable. Later, when you improve more, you can also try driving without traction control. For shifting, this mostly depends on your preference, but I recommend using at least manual. It gives you more control over the car, and once you get used to it, it can also make you faster. If you are planning to drift, manual with clutch is even better because the clutch gives you that extra kick when you need it. Now go to advanced controls. Most dead zone settings can stay on default, but for deceleration axis dead zone outside, you can try lowering it a little, maybe around 80 or 85. Personally, I am fine with 100, but you can test both and see what feels better. For vibration scale, I use 0.4, but 0.5 also feels good. For force feedback scale, you can keep it at 1.0 or slightly increase it to around 1.1 if you want stronger feedback. I would not recommend going too high because 1.2 or 1.3 can feel a bit too heavy. For center spring scale, some players prefer setting it to 0. I tested that too and it works fine, but personally I like keeping it around 1.0 or 1.1. If the wheel feels like it is fighting you too much, then you can lower it. For wheel damper scale, I recommend using a higher value, somewhere around 1.7 to 2.0. Personally, 1.8 feels best for me. For mechanical trail scale, try lowering it from the default 1.0 to around 0.8. For force feedback minimum force, I prefer keeping it low, around 0.5. For force feedback load sensitivity, I recommend a higher value, around 1.3 or 1.4. For road feel scale, do not turn it completely off. You still want to feel bumps and changes in the road surface. You can test values between 0.5 and 1.0 and see what feels comfortable. For off-road feel scale, I recommend lowering it below 0.5 because higher values can make the wheel feel harder to control off-road. Personally, I use around 0.4. For steering sensitivity, keep it at 0.5. You usually don't need to change this. Now inside the Logitech G Hub app, set the sensitivity to 50. For operating range, many players like using 720 degrees and that is a good starting point. I personally started with 540 degrees, then moved to 900 degrees. And after getting used to it, 900 felt better for me. But if you're new to wheel driving, 720 degrees is probably easier to start with. For centering spring strength in G-Hub, I keep it disabled because I prefer adjusting that inside the game instead. And that's pretty much it. These settings are not perfect for everyone, so test them, adjust them slightly and use whatever feels best for your driving style. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.